Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications on band. There are two methods in which you can disable notification. First is you can open your band application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on your profile on top right, then tap on settings. Now here you can select what kind of notifications that you want to turn off. You can tap on push notifications and then you can tap on small notch on the side of push notification on top, and then you won't be able to receive news regarding your band. Similarly, you can go back and then tap on email notifications. Then here you can tap on event promotion notifications notch. Similarly, you can tap on privacy policy notch, service notice notch, and then you won't be getting any notifications regarding these topics. For another process, you can go back to your home screen, then go to your settings on your mobile phone. Now look for apps. Now note that the settings on mobile phone differ according to the mobile type. You need to go through apps on your settings, then tap on apps. After this, tap on manage apps. Now look for band application, then tap on band. Now here you need to scroll down and look for notifications. Then tap on notifications option. After this, tap on small notch near show notifications. With that, you'll be able to disable all the notifications on your band. With this, you won't be receiving any of the notifications that is coming from your band application. This is how we can disable notifications on band. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.